Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Catanica. We are now going with something which is much better, and the quality is much better than those previous two. This lock is branded HUGO, and it's probably made in Singapore. I'm not sure, but Singapore, Taiwan, or Indonesia. I can't be sure, but some of those three countries for sure. And this is only one brand from probably a huge factory, which makes HUGO, makes Stanley locks, and makes Federal locks. The same company makes those three brands. And I can tell you, HUGO brand and all the others mentioned are very good locks. They make really good quality locks, high security locks with security pins, etc. This one is basic security. The model name is BR76G. I don't know what that means. We have a pretty interesting beating, pretty radical beating, so we're gonna see what it takes to pick this lock open. As far as I remember, I don't think that we have security pins inside. So maybe it will be much easier to defeat this lock. But it's much easier also to overset something. So I have to decrease the tension, and we have it open. I know that because previous two I didn't pick at all. When I bought them, I put them into my collection, and that is all. But I tried, just from curiosity, to pick this lock a long time ago, because I know in some cases of those HUGO basic security locks, basic security line, you have spool pins. And I wanted to see, are there any spool pins, because it's a shutter lock, it's a beefy lock, but unfortunately there are no any security pins, and we have pretty radical beating. So it is what it is. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.